All right, project 2.2. We're going to make a spreadsheet for the company before you click. So here's the directions. Open up a brand new spreadsheet, and we're going to name it 2.2, which I've done right here. First thing they want us to do is they want us to resize column A to 195. So we're going to click up here in A, highlight the whole thing, click the drop down arrow, go to resize, and type in 195. Hit OK, and it makes that column A larger. Next thing, merge cells A1 through A5. So to merge cells A1 through A5, you select A1 through A5 and you click this button right here, which is merge. And what it does is it makes it one large cell. Next direction, number 5. In the new merge column or cell, insert the before you click logo, and they want it to fit inside of that. So in here, I have my cell selected A1 through A5 that I merged. I'm going to go to insert, image, and I'm going to say that I want my image in the cell, and it'll automatically resize it for you. So I'm going to find it in my Google Drive. Before you click. There you go. All right, step number 6. Keying the data in the spreadsheet as shown in figure 2.2. So what we're going to do is we're going to type out all this information right here. I'll do that right now. All right, I got all the information typed out. Let's go back to the directions, see what's next. Format the title or format the text in cells A6 through G11 as bold. So A6 through G11, make it bold. Next set. Change the fill color of A11 to G11 to light gray 2. A11 to G11, fill color is going to be light gray 2. All right, moving on. Center align column B. So I'm going to click to select the entire column, and I'm going to change the alignment to center. All right, right align column C through G, format them as currency displaying 0 decimal points. So I'm going to highlight column C through G. I'm going to right align them. And I need to format them as currency with 0 decimal points. So once I have all this highlighted, I'm going to click the $sign. It's going to give me 2 decimal places, so I'm going to use the decimal decrease button to make them just whole numbers. All right. Number 11, in G12, key in the formula or use a sum function to calculate the annual total sales for Alliance Technologies. So they want us to add up these 3 numbers. So in here, we're going to put equals the sum, left parenthesis. We're going to click, hold, and drag to select these 4 cells, hit enter. All right. Then it says use autofill to calculate the annual total in cells G13 through G21. So once I have that first one done with my formula up here, I click back in there, I put my cursor on this little square in the bottom, looks like a bullseye, hold the button down, drag it all the way to the bottom. So I've just used formulas for every one of these by doing autofill. Saved a bunch of time. All right, number 13. In cell C23, key in the formula for the sum of total donations for quarter 1. So down here, we're going to put quarter 1 equals the sum, left parenthesis, and we're just going to click, hold, and drag to select all of this, hit enter. After we do that, they want us to autofill all the way over. So I click back in here. I put my cursor on that square in the bottom right-hand corner, turns to like a bullseye. I drag it straight across. All right. In cells A23 through G23, format the text as bold and change the fill color to light gray. A23 to G23, we want to make it bold, and we want the fill color to be light gray 2. Add a border to cell G23. So I click on G23. I come up here. I click the border button. And I just want to put it all the way around it. All right, moving on. All right, the last thing they want you to do is they want you to display the formulas. And this is how we're going to grade this. When Mr. Parrish and I grade it, what we're going to do is we're going to go to View, Show Formulas. If we don't see formulas in column G and we don't see formulas in row 23, you're not going to get credit for doing the assignment. Do not just type out the numbers. Do not just add them up on a calculator and type them out. This has to be the formulas, and so does formulas here. That's what we're looking for. All right, last step. Check it over, make sure everything is good to go. If you have any questions, please ask.